So we can see display is showing welcome to the Zigbee restaurant using TFT touchscreen. So this is the menu. So if I choose biryani here, so here we can see table number 16, I need biryani. So if the order is ready, then the kitchen members will be press the clear button. So here we can see request clear ready. So same person with the table number 16, if he select water bottle, then it will send also a signal to this kitchen room system. If the water bottle is ready to give, then the kitchen members will be press the clear button.